Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be going over Trigonometry II, which is from section 26. So we're going to be talking about how to solve a couple problems using trigonometry. The first thing we need to notice is that we're looking for x in this right triangle, and we're given 25 is an angle, 6 is a side, and x is a side. So we're going to look on our formula sheet and we're going to be using one of our trigonometric ratios. So first thing we have to do is label our sides. So from our angle, x is our opposite side, and then 6 is across from our right angle, which means it's our hypotenuse. So we have h and we have o, which means that we are going to use sine. And so we're going to say sine of our angle is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse. So we're going to write sine 25 is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse. All right, and so I'm going to write it like sine 25 over 1, just so that I can cross multiply. So I get 1 times x equals sine 25 times 6. And so when I plug this in my calculator, it's important to make sure that we're in degree mode. And since I have 1x is just equal to x, so I don't need to divide by anything. So I'm just going to multiply sine 25 with 6. And so x is equal to 2.535. Now in this second example, we're still going to be using those trigonometric ratios, but x is an angle and we're given 2 of the sides. So we're still going to label our sides as usual. So 9 is going to be our opposite side, it's across from our angle, and 19 is going to be our adjacent side. It's right next to our angle, it touches our angle. So we have O and A. Looking at our formula sheet, we're going to use tan. So tan of our angle is equal to the opposite side over the adjacent side. So tan of our angle, which is x, is equal to the opposite side over the adjacent side. And now when I'm going to type this in my calculator, since I'm looking for an angle, I need to use inverse tan. So x is going to be equal to inverse tan. So I'm going to show my calculator right on the screen here. We see our tan button right down here. You see tan inverse is right above it. So we're going to click the second button, blue, tan, and then we're going to click 9 over 19. And we get x is, wow, look at that, 25.346 degrees. So that is our answer for these 2 trigonometric problems. So please make sure you're using this as a resource to help you through the other problems.